Good day, sir and madam. I am Michelle A. Adan, 41 years old, married with 2 children. My eldest son is 23 years old. My daughter is 21 years old. My zodiac sign is Sagittarius. My experience abroad in Oman, 2016 and 2018. Muslim family of 5. Newborn, 4 years old and 6 years old. My main duty is newborn, but I'm helping to other nanny to take care the kids also, prepare the food and anything. And my second employer is Filipino. Start 2019 until now, family of 4, Philippine country, 10 years old and 16 years old. I'm all-around helper here. Cook, Filipino dishes, iron, cleaning, take care of the dogs, washing and anything. Sir and ma'am, I promise I will do my best to proud of me and I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food there. Sir and ma'am, hope you can choose me as a helper. I'm a kind person, responsible, caring, and trustworthy person. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for the time of this video. Bye!